Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mudassir Ijaz and welcome to my channel ProcTech. Today in this tutorial, we'll starting our new chapter that's called PHP. In this tutorial, we will learn about the PHP introduction, what is PHP, why we need PHP, what is PHP file, what's it file extension, and how we run the PHP file. So without wasting our time, we are starting the PHP introduction. I have write something for you in my Word file. That is the PHP introduction. First of all, what is the PHP? What it stand for? PHP is a basically stand for the Hypertext Preprocessor. Hypertext Preprocessor. It is basically a scripting language, and if we want to execute a script, we must want and server and this server if we work on our local pc, then we use our local host or local servers, but if we want to make our website live or make our script live, we must use the live servers, and it is easy to use and free to download. And it is if I talk about the programming language, it is the first scripting language for every beginner programmer. It is so easy to understand and to work with the scripts to work with the code. And if you want to build your powerful website, it's so easy and more powerful. It is very powerful. Even that our WordPress, I hope that you all are familiar with the WordPress. Or WordPress all are written in the PHP script, and else this our social network website like our Facebook also is the example of PHP. And the PHP file. Now here is the topic. What is the PHP file? The PHP file, if we want to create a PHP file, its extension must be .php. Now in our PHP file, we write our HTML, we write our CSS, we write our JavaScript and PH code. Means that HTML contains all these texts: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP. These all languages are written in our PHP file. But here is that if we want to execute this code, we must have any server, and if we want to check it result, then we used our browser. Now here is that what can the PHP do? PHP basically is a dynamic page content. It can open, create, read, delete the files from your server, and it also add, delete, view, display, and update the data from your database. It is the very easy language to work when we work with the database, MySQL, and any other database that you want to use. But in our further lectures, we used after a further lecture, we use the MySQL database with the PHP, and also we make some projects to understand more about PHP. Now here is that why PHP. PHP is run on every server like your Linux, Windows, Unix, and apps on etc. And it has wide range of databases. PHP is free to download, free to use. If you want to read anything about the PHP code, PHP functions, PHP properties, methods, and blah blah blah, you can visit the php.net where you find your anything. So that is the my PHP intro. And in the next video, we will discuss about the PHP syntax, how to write the PHP, and what is the syntax to write the PHP, its main brackets, what is how to write the PHP, where to write the PHP code, and how we use the HTML code, CSS code with the within same file of the PHP. And but for this, you must have a file with the name of .php extension, and name you I suggest any name that you want to write, and but its extension must be .php. So thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll meet in our next lecture with the new tutorial and with the new hope with the new videos. And in next video, inshallah, we will discuss about the syntax of PHP and how to write the PHP. Thank you so much for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.